Yeah, man, nansi le Chiefs siyaziyo. Dango sikhukhule ngokusibuyisela iChiefs yethu esiyithandayo. Ake ngifonela amakhosi amakhulu. Yeah, we are very excited. Ngadivo. Hello sisi. Ngicela ukuza ze-office ze-Kaizer Chiefs ezo. Oh, okay, good, yes. Yes, uthe ne-speak person sabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates ne-president yabalandeli bebhola i-Afrika yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Shapa sikhukhula United, shapa. We are very excited. Yo, kunini siyikhumbula le Chiefs? Sorry? Sisiman, sizothi welcome back sisiman. Siyanamkela. Sinamkele nini? Siyayithanda le Chiefs le ibidlala namhlanje. This is our favorite team. Siyayithanda ningayeki lento beniyenza namhlanje. Shama sikhukhula United shama. We are very excited. Le excitement idibana nale yeCup M10-8. Uyabona nje bathi ngesilungu i-cherry on top. It's a cherry on top. Yo man, yo. I'm waiting to Chiefs.
Let's just give Sundowns the league and then we call it and then we just move on with our lives. Yeah, let's just give Sundowns the league once. But we're just going to waste our time playing 30-something games for at the end of the season for Sundowns to win the league. Mara, Eric Tingler, what have we done wrong to you as Kaizer Chiefs? Like, we must address this. What have we done wrong? Pela wa re drapa straight, Eric Tingler. Yo, hi. Eric Tingler, aye. Was it really 2019 that stat I heard the last time we beat Eric Tingler? Eric Tingler, yo, please, forgive us, Eric Tingler. Forgive us, I say, please. Our Eric Tingler, you beat us. Yo, H-team, you coach. You just know 3 points, Kaizer Chiefs, you're going to collect. Eric Tingler is dangerous. And now, Ngomunye, Grobler. And I made a video about him the other day. I'm like, yeah, he can score 2 goals every game. He can reach Shaulilo's record. He scores 2 goals against us. But maybe I must just keep quiet sometimes. Why did I talk about Grobler? For him to come hurt us. 2 goals, 1 assist. Mara, hey. I guess we had fun while it lasted, eh? 3-1. 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Orlando Pirates fans have luck. Yo, first they win MTN 8. Now they're celebrating tonight because I'm sure they were minyering to last number minyering from Orlando Pirates supporters. Now they're happy. And where are the new players, Nabi? Did we not sign like 13 new players? But I still see the same old Kaizer Chiefs from last season, except 2 or 3 new players. Still same old Kaizer Chiefs. And we need to find a goalkeeper as well while we're at it. Sorry, Peter. I said, I love you and I was defending you, but some of those goals today were very soft. And if we wanted to win the league, we need a shot stopper. You know what, whatever, player ratings, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I don't even know. Or maybe even I'll drop them on the weekend. I'm too tired, man. I'm going to sleep. I stay up watching this. Anyways, give Sundowns the league and let's get over and done with. Sharp.
Sesaba no-counter point, sesaba nokufika ku-3 ngoba i-Chiefs izophatheka kahle. So must counter mele sithi 1, 2, 4, 5, because masithi 3. Eish, boy, iba personal.
Guys, ngiphoxekile. Angifuni ngisho nokuveza ubuso bami indlela engiphoxeke ngayo. I-Kaizer Chiefs ibulewe ngenduku e-FNB Stadium. Isikhukhune sesivele sadecide ukuvulela induku ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngiyaqala ukwasho lamagama selokhu aqala isizini. And our sound right lamagama. Or right? No. No, awekho right. Anyways, let's talk Nabi Paul for a second. Kunezinto ezimbalwa la engayitholisisa ukuthi isikhatsini ezenzekile. I understand Ulo Umonyani had to be replaced because of a minor injury he picked up on training earlier on, right? So I get that. And then there's this issue McCarthy. McCarthy is a good player, but I honestly don't think Ukwinika should have been substituted or should have been left out of the game. Not to say I blame McCarthy for the defeat, no, but I believe in continuity. And if a player is Zatu, so will keep a game in, there's absolutely no reason to substitute them. Kwinika has been nothing but exceptional this entire season. So look at Tola Ituba, look Lala, so look McCarthy aba injured. Great game plan by Iskukune, especially on the second half, because this was a game of two halves. Kaizer Chiefs dominated the first half, Iskukune dominated the second half. And personally, I know maybe this might be a controversial take, but I don't think Uguti Ilo Iskukune outplayed Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think they outplayed them, but I just think they were lucky. The football gods were shining on them, because the goals that they conceded are the goals that they scored rather are goals that Kaizer Chiefs could have prevented easily, because I'm a mistakes on my defense. Well, football is a game of mistakes, but it's mistakes from each defense. I mean, kube ne confusion between Umako and McCarthy, and then they capitalized. Great that they did. Goalless too. Ulilepo lost the ball in a critical place, a grounding, and they capitalized. Hrobla scored. Goalless 3. Unabi tells people to push up because the Kaizer Chiefs have the ball. Nabi tells people to push up. Kaizer Chiefs lose the ball. Iskukune shy counter attack, bashay net. So those goals are not goals. Engati Kaizer Chiefs defense was split open, or no. It was just mistakes by its defense, mistakes that could have been avoided. Iskukune, what they did well was they targeted Kaizer Chiefs ngale right side Lamako. Umako mfishane, and what they would do is they would hit long balls ayangale kumako, so that they will they will capitalize on the height Gamako. And I mean, kudos to them. They saw that, right? The Kaizer Chiefs changed their formation today. Badlaleng Diamond is this win, and I understand why badlaleng Diamond, because the Kaizer Chiefs is a midfield 3, is a triangle, not a diamond. Top of the diamond was Augustin Serino, and then at the bottom of the diamond was Umthetho. Either side of the diamond was Ulo, Pulemori, and Ndlovu. Angazi ukuthi why kudlalwe nge-diamond. This is a classic case of fixing something that's not broken. Si-right nge-triangle, i-midfield 3, ebese Chiefs idlale nge-front 3. Hayi lento ama-diamond, because i-diamond into eyenzayo, it limits you in attack because you're overloading the midfield. Young Bump, of which was a strategy for Unabi, because he was trying to neutralize in midfield Kukune, so that Umakhalwa beno Vusimuzi Mncube bangakhona ukudlala, and they did that to perfection second half. But then there was a tactical shift on the second half whereby Kukune were able to utilize Leo formation, the Kaizer Chiefs, to their advantage, especially when Kaizer Chiefs would press up high to try and win the ball by a pound. Angazi wasidlale nge-diamond, but anyways, angeke ngize ngihlalela ngicriticize kakhulu Nabi. It's a defeat, first defeat of the season. No need to panic. The boys will bounce back. I mean, we are going to Africa, manje, so the boys have to bounce back and be ready for the next game.
Siyabongisa iKaizer Chiefs ingane phambi kwezitha umshini wezonka ubukisile ngami lo goalkeeper, into bebeyenza kumako bebemeqisela kanje ibhola uFrosla nabubukisile ngami sebezonibiza ngolamthuthu. Sizothile bantwini, ukuphapha kwami nokuqina kwami ngizofihlaphi. Okay. Sek number 3, okay? Ungatatazeli no like usek number 3 sisazobuya strong.
Mina mangikhumbule kahle Ola Mthuthu bathe bona abayona iPirates isikhukhune soshaya iPirates kuphela bona abayona iPirates bona bafuna ileague. Ay no wonder Siphombula athi ayifaka Ola Mthuthu lento uyabazi labantu ukuthi vele Ola Mthuthu.
KCR chief players. I don't want to blame the coach. You see this game, I don't want to blame the coach. I want to blame KCR chief players. I want to blame them. Because you see that defense needs surgery. That defense alone, it needs surgery. Full operation, that defense needs full operation. What kind of defending is that? Let's keep the defense aside. You have to be able to be clinical. You have to score your chances. How many chances do you need to have in the game for you to be clinical? I don't understand. These players, their mentality is low. You win this game, you top the league. You win this game, you top the league. And you are playing around. Yes, you could question the coach tactics, but at the same time, these players have to finish their chances. Have to finish your chances. Jesus Christ, man.
Yes. My heart is broken into pieces. Kona as long as Abba besimkhadi basele yabo khona nokona indawo ephoxekile but khona amangaka kodwa sikhukhune hayi.
Oh bendinethemba because yonke into ibisiza yathatha isharp curve.
Hayi ke that's it for video namhlanje bafethu. iKaizer Chiefs bayibulele ngenduku lapha eFNB and honestly, coming into the game, I was praying for a draw because that would mean ukuthi Sundowns remains on top and lama team awashiya kakhulu iPirates ngashiya ngo 2 points. So at the same time ngihappy ukuthi iChiefs idliwe, but I was hoping for a draw, bro, because even though isikhukhune sesiwinayo, but angifuni ukuzithola end of the season sesikompete nabo sikhukhune, bro. I mean, like, come on, we don't want to be competing nabo sikhukhune right now. Ngidinga draw so that's like we can like be like 2 points away from them. But manje isikhukhune like is the number 1 manje league. Okwamanje vele like so ngasithukanga ukuthi isikhukhune so number 1 because we know ukuthi by time bazo they will drop, like maybe le bazo number 5 or 6 kase early. But you need to give credit to the coach Eric Tinkler. That guy is a good coach. He's a good coach. Angazi ukuthi what happened with Cape Town City asithole i-team yakhe se-relegate. I don't know what happened, but Tinkler is a good coach and he knows how to beat the Pirates and the Chiefs. I want those two teams. Tinkler uyawashaya bhaya, and kudos to him for that. And I won't talk about the game namhlanje, ne. Sibonile what happened. Chiefs lost. Whatever. I'm not an analyst. Into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi emina I saw something. Khona umjito wakapost video TikTok athe ubone i-live ibihost abantu beKaizer Chiefs, ama-fans eKaizer Chiefs akwatile ukuthi umbule uthe lento ayiqoka Ola Mthuthu so umbule kumele axolise. I was like, umbule kumele axolise? It's banter, it's football banter, bro. So manje sikumele there's something called rivalry. Into enzeka between Pirates and Chiefs is rivalry. It's not like I hate Chiefs, but angithanda ukuyibona idliwa. But at the same time, I'm not gonna point out to Sirino and be like, Sirino nje. Come on, bruh. Imnandi mastelena kahle, stelena ona star, team 8, whatever. We don't need to faka ama-players emlaxolisa for things they said. It doesn't make sense, bruh. It's football. If you guys take lento le too personal, cela nibele kumaskandi or something la when ikhona before. Because right now, ebholeni nafe is a happy space ebholeni. Football is a happy space. Even though team yakhe idliwe, uyazi ukuthi next week team might win ngizobe ngihappy. So we laba kade behost live saying umbule must apologize. You guys, I'm disappointed. I'm just disappointed in some of you guys. Because ibhola lena bafethu, ibhola. We just won a final. Manje ufuna sizothe ngoba nakho. Come on guys, come on. Into la ngiphathanga kahle bafethu. And I think ukuthi this is gonna be like the longest week i-Chiefs iyaba nalo, bruh. Because you can't watch Pirates winning 3-0 kwi-final, shy Stellenbosch, and now you're losing 3-0 to isikhukhune. So like it's a long week for Kaizer Chiefs, bafethu. Bathwele kanzima this week, but then ke hard luck emakhosi. Next time, as manje amakhosi are careful manje, and angazi if Umnyama ulimele, I hope he recovers, because I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs fan, but I enjoy watching Umnyama play. So I just hope ukuthi akona injury ezomkhipha for a long time. So I hope uyabuya early. And that's it for you namhlanje bafethu. Ngiyabonga for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and ngizonibona ngevideos zakho.